Make a great choice today with the 2015 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bose sound system, power passenger seat, navigation system, all-wheel drive, heated seats, quad seating. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.